With the battery, looks like there's 4 keys. So I'm going to take one off and keep the others safe. So, key for the battery, in, and then I think we turn to lift. That's what I was a little bit worried about, how to get this on. Turn, lift. So, that's how we get the battery on. That wasn't too bad. Oof. That is very, very heavy. Very heavy. With the battery, open this, turn the power on with the red button, and then at the side, press this button and it shows you the level indicator of the battery. Be very careful, it is very heavy and you don't want to drop this. Okay, we've got this now. Pop that in there. Nice storage area. Zip that up. And then we've got, how's that there? There we go. Velcro straps to go around the bars. Yeah. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8 of those. So I'll fasten those on. So turning it on. Power button. And then power button. Yep, we've got power. Yep, so we've got the power and we're in power assist 1. So pressing plus and minus. Plus makes power assist go up to number 5. Minus come down to 0, so there's no power assist. And then I think we've got I don't know if we've got date and time. It's got the miles an hour, trip, and then the total mileage, pedal assist, and the battery level. Yep, so we sat on it. What we've got to do now is I've got to do the brakes. I'm going to do that later because we're back setting. So that's it. Turn it off. In fact, what I'll do, I'm just going to try this reverse. If I press the throttle slightly, that moves forwards. Press this reverse button in. Oh. And we're reversing. Press the button and we're going forward. I'll check it out. Okay.